This is the afternoon of day 2 for the foundation utilities, and Kerri met me down at the property, and she started with installing the last 70 anchor bolts that needed to be placed in the brackets. And then we worked on the cleaning out the trenches that I had trenched earlier in the day, and started laying some of the conduit in and getting it up into the piers and wrapped with the foam to protect it from the concrete. While we were working on the conduit, Kerri spun the camera up toward the clouds and got some amazing shots of the clouds forming in the mountains above the property.
All right, today I'm installing the anchor bolts. I have a very important job, right?
Indeed. So Kerri came down to help me this afternoon, and we were able to get this side done on the portico tray. The conduit all in the trench to there, and then the other one's going up under the house. So power will come from the switch at the entry through here. It'll come up to the light boxes up here, and that's how we'll feed the power around to the other light on that post over there. Still have to do the electrical back there, the water, the sewer, and the electrical main over there. I look dirty.
You are dirty.
So that is the end of day 2
That was so much fun.
of the utility work that needs to be in before we pour cement. I appreciate your help. Did a good job of wrapping those pipes with the foam.
Yep.
Where they go through the cement, and helping me clean out those wonderful trenches.
So fun.
So with that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bugs in my face.
Yeah.